the device, turn on the meter, press mode, or I'm sorry, press and hold the calibration button. It goes into calibration mode and it's flashing something or another. Oh, pass. Look at that. That is awesome. So once I'm done with that, I'm done. It's saying calibrate number 2. This is a smart pen too for 7.0. So I grab my 7.0 solution, rinse off that 4.0 solution that I just put this tip into as best as I can, because this is a little bitty pipette. And like I said, you do not have to do this all the time, only when this is my initial first time using it. So I figured that, oh, I ain't even getting none. I figure I'd do it on a vlog. And if I should happen to drop it or bump it or something like that, then I would do it again. So, I'm taking the pen and inserting it into the 7.0 solution. It's telling me to press and hold the calibration button. I'm sorry. I went up. I need to go down to 7.0. And it's flashing, calibrating. Pass. Let's go. That's awesome. So now it's telling me to do the buffering solution, which is the 10.0. So now I'm grabbing the 10.0 solution that I mixed up. I'm going to rinse my pen off again with my distilled water. And the reason I'm rinsing it like this, I do have a better contraption that I can do this with, but unfortunately I did not bring it. But anywho, the reason I'm rinsing it like this instead of dipping it in the solution is because I don't want to mix what I've done with one solution and another solution, and this is clean distilled water that I can still be using. But we are about to do the buffering solution now. So this is the calibration. I'm going to put it into the solution until it's to the rim. And the buffering solution is 10.01. So I need to go up to 10.01 on the calibration. It's starting to blink and wait for it to calibrate. And pass. Ta-da! We are done. So now that I'm done, I'm going to rinse